Hello, my name is Andrew. I share on social media for UAF, and these festive balloons are here for a reason, because today is the UAF Arctic Research Open House. It's happening up here on what we refer to as the West Ridge of the Fairbanks campus. Hello, scientists! So there's labs all over West Ridge today that you can come up and visit and see some of the science that's going on here. I'm right outside the International Arctic Research Center. There's the Geophysical Institute, there's the Institute of Arctic Biology, there's the Institute of Northern Engineering, there's the College of Fisheries and Ocean Sciences, there's the Alaska Center for Unmanned Aircraft Systems Integration. All of these scientists and research facilities are open for you to come visit this afternoon. I'll post a link to the event. It is the UAF Arctic Research Open House. It's so exciting. There's so much to talk about. I could spend 5 hours just beginning to talk about the cool research that happens here on the Fairbanks campus of the University of Alaska Fairbanks. But the researchers that are based here are in the forefront of some of the most important scientific research happening on our planet today. They've been studying how our climate is changing, how volcanoes erupt, how earthquakes work, how storms work, how the oceans work in connection with the atmosphere and the land. All of these things are scientists and students and graduate students and faculty members. All of those things are happening right here on the Fairbanks campus. And today you can come up here and find out more about all of those things. See cool readouts of the seismographs from the Volcano Observatory and the Alaska Earthquake Information, the Alaska Earthquake Center. See the drones that they use to do research and rescue people, and how they're researching how to include the unmanned aircraft in everyday life in the United States. All of that really cool stuff is happening right here. Here, look, it's the LV building. Some of the most important discoveries about how the Arctic works in relation to the rest of the Earth system have occurred right here in this building right behind me, in these floors. And I'm walking down here to the Irving building, and it's just, it's incredible. I'm really excited about the chance for people to find out more about these scientists that I have the privilege of engaging with every day and sharing the work that they do. But one of the great things is just come up for yourself. Come up for yourself and find out all of that stuff. I'm going to walk back because I left some of my stuff over there. It's just such a beautiful day on West Ridge, and a beautiful day to see some of the science that happens in Fairbanks. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go to explore on your own, see some of the stuff that's happening, and I'm going to post the link right in here to the event. And join the event, because there's going to be a bunch more stuff posted in there. I'm going to start visiting some of the labs and try to see if I can get some previews on Facebook Live inside the event from the labs, so that you'll see some of the stuff that you can do. Hope you're having a great day out there. It's a great day for Arctic research. This is all part of National Lab Day, because over the next few days, some of the senior policymakers, people like Senator Lisa Murkowski, who is sits on the Senate Energy Committee, and the Secretary of Energy, Rick Perry, is going to be visiting Fairbanks, going to be talking about how the research happening here and at the Alaska Center for the Environment, the power, all those. Oh my God, I'm losing my control over what I'm talking about. But this whole week is going to be filled with how these scientists and researchers and policymakers are working every day to make our life in Alaska better. And then once we've settled life in Alaska, we're going to worry about the rest of the world, because the things that they build here, the microgrids, the sustainable, renewable energy, secure energy resources, can be implemented from Alaska's smallest communities to communities all over the world. Oh, I get myself all wrapped up. Okay, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful building, beautiful science. You're a beautiful person. Come up and see what it's all about during UAF Arctic Research Open House this afternoon. Bye.